Hi, from 3 chapter 6 video number 12. Okay, so last two video we talked about the electric power transmission and distribution systems. Okay, and we try some exercise. This is all the cable wire be just beside the road only lah, 路边的 wire. But today we want to go deeper inside your house. 我们要看你家里面的 wiring. Okay, so how 到底怎样的 ？Okay, so when the DMB distribute the electric energy go to your house, they actually connect you to the network, and it will be two wire entering your house. One will be called live wire, another wire will be the neutral wire. Okay, live and neutral. What is the difference between these two wire, live and neutral? So now we continue further. We go to your house, and after we finish the title, your house wirings, you understand a lot about everything in your house, and you again become better, become more clever. Okay, so turn to your house. 现在看看你的家 ，page number what 第几面呢 ？page number 10 第10面。Okay, the electrical power supply and wiring system in homes. 你的家里面的 wiring and the electric supplies. So how about your house? 你的家到底怎样的呢 ？Okay, so for page number 10, this page, if we are in the classroom, I need 1 hour 啦。Okay, I'm teaching this title for almost 18 years, 18年的啦。这个图片用18年了。Okay. 1 hour， 每一年我都有看，大概1分钟。But online, I don't know. This is my first time also. The first time teaching this title online. So don't talk more. We start now. 我们开始了。So wiring system in your house. So when DMB supply the electric energy into your house, they supply 240 volts copy. AC means 交流电。Okay, and the frequency of the electric current is 50 Hz. 它的电流的频率就是50 Hz. So 240 volts AC, 50 Hz. But how they supply the electric energy entering your house? Simple. By using 2 wire only. One of the wire will be called live wire. L, 大号的 L, live wire. Another wire will be neutral wire. Okay, and both of the wire actually they are same color, they are black color 啦，都是黑黑的颜色。But how you know what is live or what is neutral? What is live? What is neutral? What is the difference between these two wire? 差别在哪里呢 ？Okay, so live wire actually is a wire that carry the electrical energy or carry the electric current entering your house. So draw the arrow, 把箭头画出来。Live carry the alternating current entering your house. Positive, negative, positive, negative entering your house. So they pass through all the wiring in your house. Okay, and they help you to operate your electrical appliance. When they settle everything, they will fall back to the DMB to complete the circuit. 当一切东西都搞定完过后 they will fall back to DMB. But when they go back to the DMB, they're going to using another wire, and this wire will be neutral wire. So what's the difference between live and neutral? Live means in. 进来的 wire, neutral mean back. They go back to TMB. They go back to the main substation. They go to the substation branches to connect the circuit. So live in, neutral back. 一个进一个出啦。So this is the live and neutral. But when the electric energy come to your house, they entering your house, they will pass through a lot of components in your house, and I'll tell you one by one. So when the TMB supply the electric energy entering your house, they will be first pass through a main fuse. So what is this? A main fuse or main fuse box. Copy first. What is mean by main fuse box? 什么叫 main fuse box? I show you, nothing to worry. 不要紧张，我现在给你看。Okay. So all of you must having a meter in front of your house, always a main fuse. Or these two wire actually is connected from the roadside. 这两条 wire 就是从路边接出来的，对不对 ？One will be live, another one will be neutral. Or how you know which one is live? 你这样知道什么是 live wire？ 那 for this wire, it will be connected to a main fuse, and the fuse actually inside this box 啦，它在这个 box 里面。They carry the electric energy into your house， 它跑进你的家。And when settle everything, they will go back to TMB by using this neutral wire. This is actually nothing. 这边什么都不是 ，it's just a socket only 啦，它只是一个 socket join two wire together. But inside the box here, it will be a very big fuse， 一粒很大粒的 fuse 啊。So this is what we call main fuse box. Okay.Main fuse box 一来到你的家，在你的家外面就有这类东西叫 main fuse box. So after the main fuse box, they will pass through the meter. 它会跑进这里 meter 啦 ，electrical meter. Okay, so main fuse box. After the box, it will go to electrical meter. 它就进入电表。both of them normally outside your house， 在你的家的外面。Okay, and now inside your house, after the meter, the electric energy entering your house. But where they go first？ 它先跑去哪里呢 ？Okay, main switch. And beside the main switch， 在 main switch 的旁边呢 ，you having another component that we call earth leakage circuit breaker. Earth leakage circuit breaker. What is mean by earth leakage circuit breaker? ELCB. Normally 我们叫它 ELCB circuit breaker， 切断电路的一种东西来的。Breaker mean 切断啊，切断电路的一种工具了 ，circuit breaker。ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. For Chinese, normally we call this as what? Automatic. 华人喜欢叫它 automatic. Why is mean by automatic? Okay, I'll show you. Don't worry. So from this meter, 从这里 meter, the wire entering your house, and once they entering your house, they will first pass through this box.Okay, and this is a main switch beside the box 在右手边。this is a circuit breaker. Okay, main switch circuit breaker. Okay, now main switch, and this is a circuit breaker that can automatically cut and cut off the electric supply, and you just turn back in on， 你就转回来给它 on 回去。main switch circuit breaker 就是这两个东西。what is that function? I'm not start yet.I just tell you they are what first. 我只告诉你它是谁罢了。I'm not start yet. 我还没有开始。Okay. So after the circuit breaker, where they go main switch circuit breaker. After the circuit breaker, they will entering the box. 它就跑进一个 box 里面。this is our fuse box. Okay, this is a box called fuse box or distribution box. 在你家里分配电流的 box, distribution box, or we can call this as fuse box.Okay, and what are the contents inside the box? 在这个 box 里面呢，有什么东西呢 ？Okay, I show you first before I go further 啦。So what we have in the box? 这个 box 里面到底有什么东西呢？那 this is a box, the whole box called distribution box. When you open the screw here, you can see the contents inside. They are what? Fuse, 保险丝 fuse. Okay, this is a box in my house. Your house may be different.你的家可能不一样了。So how is the box in your house? 你家里面的 box 到底是怎样的呢 ？So for some new house, you may be having something like this. They are white color. They are more beauty. They look better 啦。它看起来比较好看啦。Okay, main switch, circuit breaker. Now this is a circuit breaker, and this is a miniature circuit breaker. Miniature.Okay, circuit breaker 比较小型的 circuit breaker, or sometimes they just call fuse 保险丝。So circuit breaker or miniature circuit breaker. Okay, so different house, different circuit breaker lah, or different distribution box. Your house should be better, new house. So after they pass through the fuse, they go to the light bulb. They maybe go to the fan, 你家里的风扇 or maybe they go to socket 这边。And finally, they return to the DMB by using the neutral wire. 它就用 neutral wire 送回给 DMB 了。Okay, so this is what happened. Okay, set up. Now I'm not start the story yet.Okay, and I'm going to talk the long story for this page number 10. So that's all for this video 了。这个 video 的功能就是这样子罢了。告诉你，你家里有什么东西。That's all. Bye bye.